So we ask find the values of k for which the expression is a perfect square. Okay, this is a quadratic function. We know that for every quadratic function, that will always add b squared over 4a to ax squared plus bx to make it a perfect square. So in any quadratic function like this, we add b squared over 4a to make it a perfect square. So let's compare here. So my a is this, my b is this, while my c is this. So we are saying that b squared, which is b is minus 6 all squared over 4 times a, which is 3 plus 2k. Now once we add it, it is a perfect square. So, and remember they told us this is a perfect square. So, and meaning the constant term. You get what I'm saying? Do you understand what I say? I say that we always add b squared over 4a to this to make it a perfect square. But what we have here, it has another constant. There a is this, b is minus 6, but this is what will be added to this to make it a perfect square. So which is this? So we now solve. So this is 36. 36 over 4 is, this 36 over 4 is 9. So we have 9 over 3 plus 2k equals 4 minus k. So we will cross multiply. This 9 equals 3 plus 2k times 4 minus k. So 9 equals 12 minus 3k plus 8k minus 2k squared. So we have 9 equals 12 minus 3k plus 8k is plus 5k minus 2k squared. And we have, so moving it to the other side, so we have 2k squared minus 5k, 9 minus that is minus 3 equal to 0. So we solve as quadratic equation as 2k, this should be minus 3 plus 1. So that's the factored form. Because this is minus 6k plus k is minus 5k. So equal to 0. Which implies that k is minus 1 over 2 and 3. So these are the two values of let's check the option. Minus 1 over 2 and 3. So our answer is option A. Our answer is A. As which of the following represents the quadratic function y equals to ax squared plus bx plus, where a is less than 0 and 0 is less than c? With this means that a is negative and c is positive. So, and you know, for a quadratic equation, a is the coefficient of x squared. For it to be less than 0 means that it's concave down. So the shape is this, meaning that this is off, this is off. This c is the y-intercept. Check, if you substitute x as 0, c is the y-intercept, and the y-intercept is a positive value. So from these two graphs, is only this. This is where this is our this is positive. why the y-intercept here is negative. So the answer is T. So it's just a tricky question.